Hello guys, this is Hassan and I'm just new to the YT and I'm just starting off with the videos of the PC and including the fact that why cleaning a PC is so necessary, because when your PC is not cleaning regularly, when you cannot regularly clean your PC, it must be composed of the debris and the carbon inside, which might cause the deficiency of the computer, and else it's cause the malfunctioning of the devices. So I pretty much clean my PC with a air blower and with duration of once in a year, so which causes my computer to run smoothly, and it has been made since the past 8 years, and it is running so good, and it was about old, and it was not new, so it is running smooth. And in this video I'm gonna be showing you how I'm going to clean the PC, and it is a Core i7 second generation 2600 3.4 gigahertz CPU, and it has 12 gigabytes of RAM and 2 GB of simple GDDR3 graphics GPU, AMD R7 240 250 actually. So it was mainly built for the gaming, but my graphics card, which was to get malfunction 2 years back, it is GTX 1050 2 GB version, so it was totally broken. So I just replaced it couple of years after a couple of years with the R7 250, just to get the things get going. And I'm a gaming lover, so I have built this machine for this. It is an entry level, not a mid-range PC. So I'm going to be showing you in the video how I'm going to clean this. I'm just showing you how to just lower it right way. So hey, so probably this is Hassan. So these are some of the reasons why I used to clean my PC, because I want it to get go as it is old machine. So I want it to work so much smooth. I don't often play the games I used to be when I'm in the childhood. I used to play a lot of the game, Call of Duty Black Ops, Need for Speed Payback, Need for Shift, and some of the strategic games like the Commandos, and some of the third person shooter games, some of the stealth games like the Hitman Absolution, Hitman Blood Money. So today I no longer I'm not interested in playing a much games, so that's why I just have a small investment in the PC. So I have pretty much cleaned my PC, so you will see my video on the YouTube. So if you have any feedback, and just get in touch with me in the comments below. So thank you for watching my video.